say you have something plugged in down here, you don't want to move it, or depending on just your configuration, there's just not enough room. This is where it's really important that we can then pivot it out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Belkin wall mount surge protector. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged right here in a very small and compact and generic retail box with a Belkin sticker on it letting us know that this is a travel surge protector. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. You can see we have the surge protector itself with our gray and white color scheme. We have the Belkin logo and branding front and center, 3 outlets for us to use. On the top we have 2 USB ports, and we have our protected indicator status light right there. On the back side, take note, we have this button right here. We can actually swivel this all the way around 360 degrees, so we can make sure we can optimize the use however we're going to be plugging this in to a wall. We have our UL sticker at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so you can see we have it plugged into the wall and everything's working great. So check it out. You can see our status indicator lights on. Everything's going to be protected, but you may notice, hey, David, you're blocking an extra outlet. Well, yes, you're right. So look, we can do it like that. Or say you have something plugged in down here, you don't want to move it, or depending on just your configuration, there's just not enough room. This is where it's really important that we can then pivot it out and rotate it 360 degrees. So you can see underneath, we can still plug something in and still have room for all of our outlets on our surge protector. So you can really maximize your space with this device, which is really cool. And we could even go the opposite direction, right? So we could take it all the way straight up as well. So you have a lot of different options depending on your needs. This is great if you're working with a tight space and you don't want to block any additional outlets, but you still want to expand what you're able to plug in. You can definitely do that with this device. So now you can see we have our iPhone plugged in and it is currently charging just fine. And you may notice we have our video light plugged in here. So this is a really nice, small, compact, and portable wall mount surge protector that works great to protect your important equipment. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.